Hello everyone, warm welcome to All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology Pune, Maharashtra. I, Mrs. Kulkarni Sheetal V, Assistant Professor from Department of Instrumentation Engineering, AISSMS IOIT Pune, Maharashtra. In this video, I am going to discuss node architecture. Objective of this video to learn concept of node architecture, to understand key features of XYZ node architecture. Contents are node architecture, sensing subsystem, processor subsystem, architectural overview and XYZ node architecture. First of all, we'll see what is wireless sensor network. It is a connection of devices in a network with the goal of information communication from a monitored field via wireless link. This diagram indicates wireless sensor network. Within this sensor field of various sensors or devices are connected via link for information communication. N1, N2, N3 are different sensors. Role of node consists of sensing, processing, communication and power subsystem. Sensing subsystem. It is a part in wireless sensor network which consists of sensors, analog to digital converter, multiplexing unit. Main component is sensor, contains transducer which convert one form of energy into another form. This diagram indicates the architecture of wireless sensor node. Under that, sensing subsystem consists of sensors such as light, accelerometer and temperature and analog to digital converter. Processor subsystem. It consists of programming, instruction set, memory and clock. This diagram indicates the wireless sensor network which consists of processor subsystem or computing subsystem, under that memory and microcontroller. Architectural overview. The processor subsystem designed by various types of architecture such as von Neumann architecture, hardware architecture, super hardware architecture. Here we are going to discuss keywords of von Neumann architecture. It consists of single memory space for program instruction and data, single bus for transfer data. Drawback of this architecture is slow processing speed because of data transfer requires a separate clock. With reference to sensing subsystem and processor subsystem, key points of XYZ node architecture are: it consists of 4 subsystems. Power subsystem consists of power tracking, interference, voltage regulator and battery. Communication subsystem consists of CC2420. Sensor subsystem consists of sensors, light sensor, thermometer, accelerometer. Processor subsystem consists of OKIML67Q500X. Processor subsystem. It consists of ARM70 DMI core microcontroller with operating frequency 58 MHz. It operates on two different modes, 32-bit and 16-bit. It provides on-chip memory 4 KB boot ROM and 32 KB RAM. Interface peripheral components are RS-232 SPI I2C SIO with general purpose 42 input output pins, 30 pin GPIO headers. Communication subsystem consists of CC2420 with 2.4 gigahertz IEEE 802.15.4 single chip RF transceiver. Facility available in XYZ node architecture are: the processor subsystem controls the communication subsystem by either turning it off, putting it in sleep mode. The communication through the SPI interface enables the radio to wake up a sleeping processor when a RF message has been successfully received. This is all about the XYZ node architecture. These are the references used for creation of this video. Thank you for your patient listening and watching this video. Thanks a lot and keep learning.